Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khurana, host of Intellect, and today we have with us a storage product that is a mobile hard drive. It's by LaCie and it's called LaCie Mobile Drive. This is the latest in their series launched at CES 2019, and this one that we have got here comes with a storage capacity of 4 terabytes. You get it in multiple variants. This one is a portable hard drive. There is also an SSD variant for faster speeds. As it mentions on the box, it comes with a speed of up to 130 megabytes per second, and the SSD variants are capable of doing 540 megabytes per second. That is super fast. So what is special about this drive and why should you pick up? So let's talk about that in this video. I'm gonna quickly unbox that, and before I unbox, let me quickly show you around the information mentioned on the box. It says 4 terabyte. It comes with USB 3.0 as well as USB-C, and here you can see that it comes with Adobe Creative Cloud app 1 month membership included. So you get that, and along with that it runs with Windows as well as Mac, so it is compatible with both, and it comes with the LaCie Toolkit software, and it is compatible with Type-C as well as the Type-A, so you get multiple cables with this. Let me take out all the box contents, and this is all that we get in the box, a transparent sort of packaging here. And let me get the paperwork out of the way first. So this is a quick install guide. It tells you how to use it, and some more information, and this tells you how to redeem your 1 month free membership of Adobe Creative Cloud, and some more information here. Coming to the hard drive, here we have the hard drive which comes in this plastic packaging. So let me remove that, and here we have it in the moon silver color. The finishing of this drive is very different from anything that we have seen in this space. In storage space, this is probably one of the most premium designs. This is made out of aluminum, and it has this diamond cut design. This is really different to touch and feel. It feels very premium. It's all metal, and it has only one port here, which is a Type-C USB, and there is an LED indicator. On the bottom you get to see the stickers, serial numbers, capacity, and everything that is mentioned here. And you get not one but two cables here, and first one is a Type-A to Type-C, so you can connect it to all the older laptops, and the ones that come with a Type-C these days, so you can connect it directly to Type-C, and you can also connect it to smartphones which come with Type-C these days. So I'm using a OnePlus smartphone which comes with Type-C, so these drives can directly be connected to smartphones as well. So Type-C has an advantage. You can connect it to the MacBook devices that are generally used in the video production space, so that is a big advantage. Why should someone spend on a LaCie mobile drive? This is more expensive than a typical 4 terabyte hard drive. There are two reasons. One is performance. They promise very high performance, and second is the form factor and design. As you can see, this is a really different design, feels quite premium, and it's like picking up something from a premium luxury space, which not only is functional but it also very beautifully designed. So yes, if you want to spend on performance as well as design, LaCie mobile hard drive or the mobile drive 4TB makes for a lot of room to put a lot of work stuff. It also gives you high performance. Before I wrap up this video, let me give you a quick speed test of the same on my MacBook Pro, and let's find out how well it performs in the read-write speeds. So let's jump quickly to the speed test. This is all we have on a quick hands-on as well as speed test of the LaCie mobile drive. I'm leaving Best Buy links if you want to pick up one for yourself. The links are provided in the description section. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up. Stay subscribed, press the bell icon for latest video. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.